We came to McDonald's, and right now when we were coming into park, Noel hit this sign, and I was like, oh shit, bro, you hit the sign. And then I look over, and this guy just doesn't give a fuck. We went to Best Buy and we found this sick Coraline doll, and we just had to get it.
Look at her. Look at her.
She has a big ass head.
It's actually so cool. And look, it looks like all weathered and old.
What would you do if you put her on the shelf? You go to sleep, you wake up, she's gone.
Coraline?
And then like 30 years from now, you move into a new house, you go into the attic, and she's there.
Where was she the past 30 years?
Who knows?
I don't know, I'd burn her.
So we're here at Savannah's house, and her and her parents go all out for Halloween.
Just a little bit.
Does he have the middle finger?
I tried.
Oh.
I had him bend his finger and it wasn't moving. That's why his arm's a little bit hyperextended.
His eyes are creepy.
I feel like he looks like a friend.
Oh, he has actual eyes.
Yeah, bro, that's why I said they're blinking.
And then, oh, this one's motion sensor, you said?
Do you hear the wind picking up at the winning past? You have the claws of the afterworld already reaching out and drawing you near me.
That's not for me, big dog.
But he basically, oh, there it goes. His lights light up too.
I was like, he's taking up the ass.
He's than him.
No, it doesn't. Oh, that sounds like he's taking it up the ass.
I remember.
That was such perfect timing.
We came to this haunted car wash.
Oh fuck, look at that. Look at that. Look at them.
I can't see.
Look, there they come.
Bitch, I can't see.
Look at him. Oh, bro, I'm fucking scared. Oh, bro, that's fucking terrifying. No, I don't like it. Bro, I'm fucking scared. I'm shaking. Who let me drive?
Please don't step on the gas, bro.
Dude, I know. Just look straight. Just look straight. Oh, dude, they're getting so much closer. Don't look.
Don't look.
Oh. Oh, bro.
Oh my god. Oh, fuck that, bro.
Nah, he's on that side.
No, he's not.
No, he's not.
Oh my god.
I'm not joking. I'm fucking terrified.
This is actually really scary.
Look at this guy.
Oh, here she comes.
Oh, why'd you tap for him?
Oh, look at this guy.
Oh, shit.
I can't see anything! Oh my god! Are you sure they're in here?
I'm pretty sure
I don't know.
they're in here.
Oh, dude, I'm shitting my pants. No, there's no way they're in here. There's no way. Oh my fucking god! Oh my god!
Bro, how is it safe for them?
That's what I'm saying! Oh, dude, they're on Savannah's side. Look at him. Look at him. He's gonna get you. That's terrifying.
There's one right there.
To the left, to the right.
Oh god.
Oh, shit!
He's cracked.
Oh my god! Oh, Jesus fuck! Jesus!
What's the game?
So you start 1 to 7.
1 to 7.
Because there's only 7 of us. And someone at random time is just gonna say 1. If somebody says 2 at the exact same time, if me and you are like 2, then we both have to drink.
It's like a jinx.
Exactly. But
you
it's
say the same number.
Okay.
Randomest times.
We need a beer, dude.
And you can do it whenever? Like randomly?
Yeah, literally randomly. So it's just like, it just be like 1.
1.
No, you fucked up. Now you gotta drink. Instead of 1 again. No, you just go 1, 2, 3, 4.
We're not playing yet.
2.
4.
5.
6.
7.
Actually, it was close. It's the last person that has to drink. Also, so 7 has to drink. I know. I'm sorry. I did it.
7 has to drink.
Because if you say it loud.
Oh, because everyone's waiting. It makes everyone wait.
yeah.
Okay. I get it.
1, bro.
2.
3.
4.
5. Yeah, bro. both of you.
You said 4 so late, bro. I was like 4. You were like 4. Gotta realize.
I'm gone.
He wanted a drink.
You actually could make someone drink because if like you want another person to drink, you just say
Oh,
whatever.
that's true.
Want a drink? Dude, somebody tie with me.
Let's go.
Say
3, 2, 1.
1. Hey, dude. Start like this game. 1. Drink or noodle.
2. You fucker.
But yeah, so literally we could just be having conversations and someone could just be like 1, 1, bro.
But you're supposed to like continue regular conversation.
I know we're over here making a game out of it.
We're just like doing it over and over.
What about that little flamingo over there?
Oh, he's the scariest one of all, bro.